Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set your Audi A4 clock. First, begin by turning on your vehicle's ignition. Then, locate your MMI display screen, typically found in the center console. Access the main menu by pressing the menu button. From there, you will navigate to the setup or car settings to proceed with the time adjustment process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the clock settings. Once in the time and date menu, you will likely see an option to set time manually. Select this to begin adjusting the clock. Use the large MMI control knob to highlight and change the hours, rotating it clockwise or counterclockwise. Then, move to the minutes and adjust them similarly. After setting the correct time, press the knob or select Confirm to save your changes. This ensures your clock is accurate. Beyond just the time, you can also adjust the date and display format. Within the time and date menu, you will find options to set the current day, month, and year. Additionally, you can choose your preferred time format, such as a 12-hour or 24-hour display. There are also options for different date display styles. Make sure to confirm all these settings to personalize your vehicle's clock display to your liking. For ultimate convenience, consider enabling the GPS synchronization feature. This allows your Audi A4 to automatically set its clock using satellite signals, ensuring precise timekeeping. With this feature active, your vehicle will even adjust for daylight-saving time changes without any manual input from you. Simply select the option to activate it within the time and date menu. This provides a hassle-free and consistently accurate clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.